Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create account on impact.com and sign up for affiliate marketing. So first things first is go to their website, impact.com, and then here at their homepage, you can just go ahead and click this sign in button over here. And then from here, it will redirect you to this page and you can just log in with your Google account, LinkedIn Media account, Twitter account, and other social media platform. In my case, I'll choose my Google account. And then from here, you will provide the necessary information in order to proceed. Then click on the boxes. Make sure your name is correct. Then from here, as an SMS will send you a code and you have to type in your code and click verify. And then from here, you will have multiple options. In my case, I'll go for the content and reviews and then hit on continue. And after that, you will have these options. You can add your website, social, and many more. In my case, I'll add my website. And once you're done, click on submit. Then from here, you can click on continue. And it is much better when you provide all the necessary information you have. And once you're done, continue. Then from here, you're going to choose if you're an individual or company and just type in the necessary information. And then once you're done, you can just hit submit and there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching. See you.